Cleaning tools are essential for maintaining a clean and healthy living environment. However, they can be quite costly. In this video, we'll showcase budget-friendly cleaning tools which are just as effective as their expensive counterparts. With these tools, you won't have to sacrifice your cleaning routine just to save a few bucks. First on our list are microfiber cloths. Not only are they reusable, but they also trap dust, dirt, and bacteria better than regular cleaning cloths. They are perfect for cleaning glass surfaces, appliances, and countertops. Simply toss them in the laundry when they get dirty and reuse them multiple times. Next up is a multi-purpose cleaner. This versatile cleaner can be used to clean all surfaces in your home, from your kitchen to your bathroom. It's effective and budget-friendly, as you only need a small amount to get the job done. Plus, you won't have to invest in different cleaners for each part of your home. A squeegee is another budget-friendly cleaning tool that you can't live without. It's perfect for cleaning your windows, mirrors, and shower doors. Not only does it remove dirt and grime easily, but it also helps prevent buildup so you won't have to clean as often. It's a great investment that will save you money in the long run. Rubber gloves may seem like an obvious choice, but they are often overlooked. They are perfect for protecting your hands while cleaning, and they also help get a better grip on your cleaning tools. Additionally, they prevent the spread of germs and bacteria, making them a must-have in your cleaning kit. In conclusion, cleaning does not have to be expensive. With these budget-friendly cleaning tools, you can save money and still maintain a clean and healthy living space. Remember to invest wisely and use these tools to their fullest potential. Happy cleaning!